What if you could boost focus effortlessly? Many believe caffeine is the answer. But what if I told you it's actually about breath? Today, discover a morning breathwork technique. This method sharpens your mind and enhances productivity. Let's transform your mornings from ordinary to extraordinary. First, find a quiet, comfortable space. Sit or lie down. Focus on your breath without judgment. Next, inhale deeply through your nose. Allow your belly to expand fully. Hold for a moment. Now, exhale slowly through your mouth. Imagine releasing stress and distractions. Repeat this 4 times. After completing this, take a moment to feel the energy shift. Notice how focused you feel post-breathwork. Then, visualize your day ahead. Set a clear intention. This primes your mind for success. Finally, wrap up your session with gratitude. Acknowledge your breath's transformative power. Remember, consistency is key. Repeat this every morning for optimal results. Today, you learned a powerful breathwork technique. With practice, it unlocks peak focus and sustained energy. Now, go ahead and apply what you've learned. Transform your mornings and boost productivity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. What if you could start your day with a clarity that transcends the ordinary? By simply infusing your mornings with breathwork, you can harness that potential. Imagine entering each day with a sharpened focus and renewed vigor, ready to tackle whatever comes your way. Imagine visualizing not just plans but the outcomes you desire, making them a vivid part of your morning ritual. Each breath becomes a bridge, guiding you toward a more productive, fulfilling day. As your practice deepens, you will discover an almost effortless way to maintain concentration throughout your day, effortlessly flowing from task to task. So take a deep breath, embrace this journey, and allow yourself to transform in ways you've been longing for. Take a moment to reflect on the power of intention as you continue your breathwork journey. Picture the moments ahead where your focus will guide your actions, turning ambitions into achievements. With each breath, empower yourself to stay present and engaged, ready to embrace challenges as they arise. Imagine your day unfolding with clarity. Each interaction and task becomes lighter, infused with purpose. As you practice, these moments of breath become not just a routine but a lifestyle, enabling you to elevate your performance consistently. Feel the connection between mindfulness and productivity, integrating these principles deeply into your daily rhythm. Breathing becomes your superpower, a tool for achieving more with less effort and stress. First, find a quiet, comfortable space where you can sit or lie down undisturbed. Inhale deeply through your nose, letting your belly expand fully as you absorb the calm around you. By embracing this breathwork technique and committing to your morning ritual, you will not only enhance your focus but also cultivate a profound sense of well-being. Remember, every breath is a step towards your best self, empowering your journey ahead with clarity and intention.